Check out this Ford. You don't see a lot of these every day. 1957 Ford Ranch Wagon. Done in a mild custom. As far as the paint goes, can I explain that right off the get-go here? The white is, it's tough to get it to show up in the video here, the pictures, but it's the white pearl, or kind of the tri-coat, diamond white, if you will. Very nice looking paint on this. And then again with the kind of the faded yellow, but it's got a slight pearl to it also. Again, the video doesn't quite do the color of this car justice. It's got a little more pop to it in person. It's kind of a neat custom, especially riding on those Coker wide white radials and the chrome wheels. It really's got a nice look to it. You take a look at the bumper, the bright work on this car, very nice shape. Underneath the hood is a 390 V8, and that is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This car is set up to drive, Ford 9-inch rear end. So I call this a nice driver quality. Like I said, a little bit of a custom to it. It's a nice vinyl cloth combination interior in it. We'll get around to that when I fire it up and you can hear it run, and we'll check out the interior. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, the interior, go ahead and check out the still pictures. Down below this video, you're going to see a link in the description. Click on that. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check out the pictures of this, or maybe you want to check out all our inventory. You can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this. This car was actually traded into us. Does come with a clear title, so you won't have any problem titling it in your state. Smoked rear windows, and again, take a look up and down the side of this at this bright work. You can take a look at the paint up and down the side of the car, not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, scratches. You see how nicely the door fits also. Car does not appear to be full of Bond or filler or a thick car by any means. Nice little touch up on the top too, with the two-tone white fading into the yellow. Nice little paint trim stands out on this. If you can see it, kind of the silver that breaks up the line between the white and the yellow. And again, I can't really get it to show you that little bit of flake or that little bit of shine in that yellow also. It really pops in person. You get this thing out in the sunlight. It's a nice looking car. Now, like I said, we traded this one in. We do consider trades. So if you got something you may be looking at getting out of and get into something different, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you'd like this car located at. Put it in your driveway for you. Some nice tasteful pinstriping in the rear here. You can see the paint's got a nice luster by the reflection of the window behind me. And again, bright work around this car, the chrome, all in nice shape. Nothing to be ashamed of here. Look good at your local cruise-ins, taking it to your local shows. Once again, still pictures. Check out the rear of this car with the back open, the undersides of it, interior. Still pictures down below this video in the description. Click on the link. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the stills. Feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Again, all of the bright work in the chrome really pops in this car. On the interior, you're going to see some modern day, or more modern gauges, I should say. Kind of a nice filler on the dash, some kind of Ford chrome trim around those gauges. You're also going to see a Kenwood aftermarket stereo. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's give you a couple things to kind of look for. Door panels made to match the seats in this. Finished off nicely. Front bench, second row bench. Black dash with a dash cover. Straighten this wheel out so you can see it. I did play around with the interior here a little bit too. Blower fan worked fine. All the gauges seemed to work. Wipers worked. Aftermarket tack on the steering column worked. There's a Kenwood aftermarket stereo. That fired up. Let's go ahead and start this car so you can hear it run. Very easy starting vehicle. Starts easily. Again, here, take a look at the gauges. Like I said, they're kind of finished off. Nice dash setup. Tachometer works. Car's got a nice little rumble to it. Making sure we're in neutral. I'm going to get out behind this so you can see it. Stereo power's up. Underneath this dash, it is a black painted dash. It's kind of tough to see, but it's a black painted dash to match the rest of the interior here. Nice looking car on the inside also. Headliner, great shape. Does have the little map lights that just flip going on to show you that it does work there too. Seat belts installed in it. Slip around in the back so you can hear this run. Listen to that 390. Nice sound to it. I'm going to slip up to the front of. Actually, I can pull this hood open with one hand. Let's go ahead and pop this open a second. Get the hood release on the inside of these. One safety catch to get by. There you go. See how smooth that runs. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. It really is just a nice looking paint. Bright working trim on this. Can't hardly say it enough. I wish I could get it to pop a little bit more here in the video, but get this car out in the sun. It's pretty cool looking. There you have it, 1957 Ford Wagon, mild custom. The paint and the wheels, white whites. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Feel free to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Basically, click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'll sure assist you with the transportation to get this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.